I want to show you a side hustle that's working right now that almost nobody's talking about. Not because it's complicated, but because it's so simple that most people overlook it. While everyone else is out there chasing trends, this is focused on something super direct. Finding a problem that already exists and offer a clean solution for it. Because right now, there are thousands of local businesses that either don't have a website or the one they do have is outdated, slow, and not bringing any new customers. And instead of needing to be a developer or designer to fix that, you can now use an AI-powered software to build clean, professional-looking websites in minutes. Not hours, not days, minutes. You don't need tech skills or experience to get started with this. You don't need to build an audience. You don't even need to show your face. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do this step by step. How to find the right businesses using nothing but Google Maps. How to build a website for them in minutes using this AI-powered software. And how to position it in a way that they actually want to pay you for it. And just to be clear, I got nothing to sell you. I don't have some $997 course or high-ticket coaching program. In fact, all I ask is this. If you get value from this video, just smash that like button, share it with a friend who needs to see it, and drop a comment down below if you want to get started with this today, and I'll shoot you over a private link to everything. A free step-by-step course, access to a live boot camp, a lot of templates, snapshots, and even an extended 30-day free trial to the exact same AI-powered software we're using to build these websites, all 100% for free. So let's get into it. So to break it down into 3 simple steps, all we're going to be doing is finding small local business owners that don't have a website. So think your plumbers, electricians, roofers, real estate agents, folks like that. You might be thinking everyone has a website, but guess what? Not everyone does. Now I'm going to show you an easy way to leverage Google Maps to find small local business owners who don't have a website and offer free website design. Then we're going to take that website and add a few basic elements to increase the number of leads that business can generate. And once the website's up, you're simply showing them the value of these bolt-on services to generate more leads, making it a no-brainer to pay $300 to $500 a month for the upgrades. And if you can land just a few clients, that monthly revenue stacks up fast. Now let me show you exactly how to get your first client, how to create the website even if you're not a designer, and how to add in services that keep clients paying you every single month. So the first thing that we're going to do, we're literally just going to go and pull up Google, and we're going to type in plumbers in Dallas, Texas. And what you're going to see is a few things. Ads up top, the Google Maps pack, business listings, some sponsor results. Ignore all that for now and click more businesses. Now from here, we scroll down and we're looking for something specific. We're looking for businesses that don't have a website button. Okay, here's an example. You've got Atlas Plumbing and Heating Company. No website, but they do have a phone number, which means you can call them. And here's what you say. Hey, I saw you don't have a website. I'm actually offering free website design for local businesses right now. It's fully branded, has your business info. Would you be open to seeing what that might look like? Almost nobody says no to that. And once they see it, that's when you're able to actually layer in the value. Now back to the list. Here's another one, Per Adventure Plumbing. Also no website. These are qualified leads. You don't need to pay for ads. You don't need to do cold outreach on social. You just need to go down the list and call the ones that don't have a website and offer to solve that problem. And again, this is just from one random Google search in a random city. Now, the next thing we're going to do is come over here to the software. And what's awesome about the software is you can white label it. That means you can put your own logo on it, use your own domain. You literally have your own software without having to write a single line of code. And so when someone pays you, that goes directly into your account. You're not collecting for someone else's product. You're running this like it's your business because it is. And this platform has all the features you need. Everything to build professionally designed websites. You don't need to know code. You don't need to design. It's drag and drop. Plus, you have additional tools and features that you can bolt onto the website. You turn them on and suddenly you're offering something that you can easily charge a few $100s a month for, plus the setup fee. Now, if we come over here to websites, and by the way, if you want a more detailed walkthrough on how to set this up step by step, I have a 100% free course that shows everything. Also, normally with this software, you only get a 14-day free trial, but using my link, you get 30 days, and that gives you more of a runway to get clients and get this thing launched. So back to the setup, we click websites and then new website. And now you've got 2 options here. You can either create a blank website or use a template. I'm assuming that you're not a professional website designer, and neither am I. So we're gonna click on templates, and here we have over 1,000 templates ready to go. Click continue. We'll type plumber into the template search bar, and I'm gonna pick this one. Click continue, and it drops the template into the account. And now you just swap out the logo, the phone number, the company name, email address, etc. And you can customize this as much as you want. Click on preview, grab the link, and send it to the plumber. Now all you say is, hey, I just built this for you. I can also add a few more tools to help you get more leads, book more appointments, and even use AI to automate your responses. At this point, they see the value. They don't need to imagine it. It's real, it's tangible, and if they want to make changes, fine. You can click on the section, edit what you need to, and click save. It's that simple. Now there are 3 things though that you can bolt on to make the offer stronger. So let's go back to the software, and now we're gonna add a website chat widget. Now what this does is puts a chat bubble on the bottom right of the website. And if a lead has a question, they click it and type it in. And here's where it gets powerful. AI can respond to that message in real time. And again, you don't need to know how to code. I don't know how to code, but I can copy and paste. And if you can copy and paste, you can do this too. So we're gonna go up here and click copy code, and we're gonna paste that into the body section of the website. So we go back to the website editor, click settings, scroll down to the tracking code area. Now there's a field here for body code. Paste it there, click save. Now when someone visits the site, they can type in a question and we can have AI respond. Here's how. Back in the dashboard, we're gonna go to settings. We're gonna go to conversation AI. Now with conversation AI, anytime someone sends a message to this business, AI handles it. Now the question is, how does it know what to say? So we go to bot training and we take the website URL, and we can just use the preview link right now. Paste it in and click get data. Now it knows what services we offer, what the business hours are, the location, and it can now answer most questions. So let's zoom out. So you've identified a local business that doesn't have a website. You built them a professional branded website in minutes, installed a live chat widget to capture leads, connected an AI assistant to the chat, and sent the completed version as a free preview. So you're giving first. You're offering real value before asking for anything. Now that opens the door. You offer bolt-on services that drive leads and revenue, and they're happy to pay you $300 to $500 a month ongoing because it drives revenue to the business. And on your side, the heavy lifting's done. Once it's live, it runs. It doesn't need any babysitting. So now you can repeat this, reach out to more businesses that don't have a website, use the same template, the same automation, rinse and repeat. So now you can see how simple this actually is. You're not building some complicated business. You're not waiting months to learn a new skill. You're finding a problem that already exists, creating a quick solution, and putting it in front of the right people. That's it. And if you take anything from this video, it should be this: stop overcomplicating it. This works because it's direct, it's practical, and business owners already understand the value the second they see it. Now again, just to be clear, the results are going to depend on the effort you put in. But this is the same model that I've shown to hundreds of others, and they're using it to build real recurring income from home right now. And there's no reason that you can't do the exact same thing if you take action on what I just showed you. And again, all I ask is this: if you got value from this video, just smash that like button, share this video with a friend who needs to see it, and drop a comment down below if you want to get started with this today, and I'll shoot you over a private link to everything. Free step-by-step course, all the templates, the scripts, access to a live boot camp, and an extended 30-day free trial to the exact AI-powered software we used in this video. So I appreciate you watching, and we'll see you in the next one.